Vietnam's fast-growing economy and diverse industries have created strong demand for flexible labor arrangements. Labor subleasing allows businesses to quickly hire workers from licensed providers without signing direct employment contracts. For foreign investors, this sector offers significant opportunities, but it is strictly conditional under Vietnamese law. Foreign investors are permitted to establish 100 foreign-owned companies to provide labor subleasing services. To operate legally, the company must obtain the labor subleasing license. This business line requires a substantial financial guarantee in the form of a mandatory deposit. The company must set up a compulsory deposit of 2 Billion VND, about 80,000 USD, at a Vietnamese commercial bank. This statutory deposit acts as essential financial security to cover liabilities towards leased workers and clients, ensuring their rights are protected. Labor subleasing is not permitted across all sectors. Vietnamese law only allows subleasing in a restricted list of 20 specific job categories, such as receptionists, drivers, machine operators, security staff, and certain technical positions. Companies are legally prohibited from providing subleasing services beyond this strict list. The company's management team must meet high professional standards. The legal representative or director must have no criminal record and demonstrate at least 3 years, or 36 months, of direct professional or management experience in labor subleasing or labor supply services within the 5 years prior to the application. This 3-year experience requirement is a critical difference from other labor services. Setting up a foreign-invested company is a sequential 3-step legal roadmap in Vietnam. Step 1 is to obtain the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, which certifies that you, as the investor, are permitted to invest and establish a company in Vietnam. This certificate is issued by the Department of Finance. This process typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once the IRC is issued, the next step is to apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC. This functions similarly to a certificate of incorporation and usually takes 1 week to obtain. After successfully obtaining both the IRC and ERC, your company is considered duly registered under Vietnamese law. After registration, you will need to complete several post-licensing tasks, including making the company seal, completing initial tax registration, and opening a business bank account. The legal procedure continues as you submit the application for the final labor subleasing license. The dossier will include comprehensive proof of the mandatory 2 billion VND deposit, a compliant office, and the qualified management staff to the Department of Home Affairs. The authority will review the documents. If compliant, the license is typically granted for a period of 60 months, 5 years. Compliance is strictly enforced. Licensed labor subleasing companies must ensure equal treatment of leased workers and are prohibited from charging any illegal fees to job seekers. The license is valid for 5 years and requires the company to submit periodic reports on its operational status. If the deposit is utilized for compensation due to non-compliance, you must replenish the amount within 30 days or face license revocation. At LTSlaw, we guide foreign investors through every step of setting up a labor subleasing company. We ensure full compliance with the strict 2 billion VND deposit requirement, verify the mandatory 3-year management experience, and manage the complex application process for the subleasing license. Don't let strict licensing and compliance challenges delay your labor business project. Contact LTSlaw today for a free consultation. Your labor subleasing company will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to support Vietnam's growing workforce needs.